In today's lesson, we are going to talk all about the letter C. Yes, and the letter C is a consonant or a vowel. Yep, you're right, it's a consonant. So today we'll talk about how the letter C can spell the sound k, k. Now in future lessons, we'll talk about other sounds that the letter C can spell, but today we're talking about how it can spell k. Now to sign the letter C, you make your hand look like a letter C. So make your hand look like the letter C. That means you're signing it, and let's make the sound k, k, k. A great way to help you remember this sound is that the letter C spells k, like in the beginning of the word cat. This is not a very happy looking cat. K, k, cat. Sometimes the letter C comes in the beginning of words. For example, with the word cat, k, at, cat, k, k, k. Or with the word cog, cog, k, og, cog, k, k, k. Now let's explore how we actually use our mouths to make the k sound, the sound that we hear in words like cat and cup. To make this sound, we need to release a puff of air while touching the back of our tongue to the roof of our mouth. To help you feel the sound, place your fingertips on your tongue and try making the k sound. That's so weird, right? You'll notice you can't make the k sound without that tongue movement. It's critical. You have to have your tongue to make the k sound. Now, please make sure your hands are clean if you're going to do this. Now, readers, you may be wondering, why are we using the letter K up there to represent the sound that the letter C is making? Well, it's because the letter C can make different sounds, like k in cat or s in cent, like a 1-cent penny. Using the k for the K for the k helps us to show that we're talking about the hard C sound. And the hard C sound is the sound k, k, k. So we use the K in between those slanted lines to help us represent the type of sound we're making, which is the hard C. That way we don't have any mix-ups. It also helps make it easier to focus on how the sound itself is made and not worrying so much about how it's how it's spelled. All right, my sound detectives, give me a thumbs up if you hear the hard C sound, that k, in the beginning of this word. The first word is same, same. Say same, same. Do you hear k? Nope, me neither. Wah, wah. Okay, the next word is the word cab, cab. Say cab, cab. Do you hear the hard C? K, k, ab, k, ab. Oh, I hear it. Thumbs up. Okay, and our last word is the word cape, cape, k, ape, cape. I heard it. Good job. We spotted, and well, spotted with our ears, that hard C sound. Now, tell me if you can hear the k at the end of these words. So we're listening for it at the end. The first word is the word fork, fork. Say fork. Do you hear k at the end of fork? Fork, fork. I hear it. Thumbs up. The next word is the word sauce, sauce. Like I like to put sauce on my spaghetti. Sauce. Do you hear it? Sauce. K. No, I don't hear k in sauce. Wah, wah. And then our last word is the word sock, like a sock that you would put on your foot. Sock. S-ock. S-ock. Sock. Oh, I hear it. Thumbs up for sock. And I hear the k at the end of sock. Now let's practice writing our uppercase C. You're going to start with your writing finger just beneath the top line and do a curve around, touching the top line, going around past the middle, down to the bottom, and slightly back up. Almost like you were going to draw a circle, but then you changed your mind. Okay, let's do it again. Starting at just below the top, go around to the top, around, 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 up, 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 almost like you're going to make a circle, but you stop. That's how you make the uppercase C. Now let's look at this lowercase c. Does this look a lot like the uppercase C or not a lot? It looks a lot. It's like we took the uppercase C and just squashed it down, and that's how we get the lowercase c. This uppercase and lowercase duo are very similar. So let's go ahead and we will do the same, almost like we're going to make a circle, but then we change our mind, but this time we keep it between the middle line and the bottom line for our lowercase c. So get your writing finger out, go around, 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 down to the bottom, and a little bit up, stop. Okay, just below the middle, let's do it again. Just below the middle, come up and around, curve, 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 curve down to the bottom, come up just a little bit and stop. And that's how you write the lowercase c.